Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how you can use any video as a live wallpaper in Bliss OS, because if you choose from the settings, you get an orientation error, and this video is also a suggestion from one of my viewers. So without wasting any time, let's head towards the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. First, I will go from Windows to Bliss OS, which I recently reinstalled. Here in the Bliss OS boot menu, you will get the option Bliss OS Default with FFMPEG. I will talk about this option later. For now, I will open Simple Bliss OS. And now first, I will install some apps from the Play Store, like Chrome and Drive, because I have a video in Drive that I want to use as a live wallpaper. You will also find its link in the description. After the download is complete, I will open Drive, and here for my files, from the live wallpaper folder, I will download this video. And while this is downloading, I also download YouTube so I can play a video and check if there is any error. While the wallpaper and YouTube are downloading, I download another app from the Play Store, which will help us in applying the live wallpaper. So I will open the Play Store and search for Video Live Wallpaper, and from the search results, I will install Live Wallpaper, any video. And as soon as all these apps are installed, I will open YouTube, and from here play any video to check if there is any error. So you can see that my YouTube and videos are running properly without any error. And if I check the video wallpaper, it has already downloaded. Now I will play that video from the gallery. And here too, it will run perfectly without any error. So if you are getting any error, or the screen goes black, then you should choose the Boot with FFMPEG option. But right now, if I go to the settings and from here choose the wallpaper option and then go to Photos and select the video, it will only load, but the wallpaper will not apply. So I will go to the home screen and from here open that installed app, meaning the Live Wallpaper app, and here its interface will appear in front of you. And from the top right corner, you can go into its settings. And here first you can choose the app theme, whether you want to use dark mode or light. Next you will get the scaling option, what the scaling of the video you want to choose should be, meaning fit to screen, center, or original. So I will keep it as fit to screen. Next you will get the enable audio option, meaning if your video has any audio, whether it should play along with the display or not. And below, you will also get the crop video option. Next, you will also get the double tap to pause option, meaning you can pause or play the wallpaper by double-clicking. And lastly, you will get the play off screen option, meaning whether the wallpaper should keep playing even when the screen is off or not. I keep this on. So I will go back and from here choose the video option and then select the wallpaper. And one important thing before setting the wallpaper, you should turn auto rotate off. Otherwise, after setting the wallpaper, your screen will stay in portrait mode until you lock it and unlock it again. After selecting the wallpaper, my screen goes into portrait mode. But don't worry, after setting the wallpaper, it will come back to landscape if you have turned auto rotate off. So from here I will choose Set Wallpaper to both Home and Lock Screen. Then it will apply my wallpaper, and if I go to the home screen now, you can see that my live wallpaper has become active and is running non-stop without any error. So in this way, you can use any video as a live wallpaper on Bliss OS. And if you are getting a video playback error, meaning your screen goes black or the video doesn't play, then you should restart the system. And from the Bliss OS boot menu, choose the Boot with FFMPEG option, and then try again because by default Bliss OS uses the Codec 2 video decoder. But with this option, Codec 2 will be disabled and FFmpeg will be enabled. And if you want to make further changes in the decoder, I am providing a link in the description to the Bliss OS documentation. All the options and decoding settings are available there. You can change the settings by giving commands through the terminal. I am not getting any decoder error on my system, which is why I have not changed the settings, and as you can see, my wallpaper also automatically turned on after a little while, and as soon as I unlock the system, it will start after a little while, meaning I am not getting any video playback error or any issue with the live wallpaper. I had requested a screenshot of the error from my viewer, but I think they were busy, which is why they couldn't reply. If anyone from you gets any error, you can contact me at my email technichio0@gmail.com. So this was today's video, In the next video, I will tell you all about a retro gaming OS that will fulfill your passion for retro gaming, turning your system into a console. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.